Welcome back. We're going to add 3 new columns to the view that we already made. We go to Data, select the view, click Edit, and we have a column with the revenue. What we want to do is add a new column with a percentage. The percentage is cost of goods based on if it's product A or product B. After that, we add a column with the amount of the cost of goods, and we have the revenue without the cost of goods to calculate the gross margin. So we start with a calculated column. Call it cost of goods percentage. The location is added. And we need the if statement for that. People who already worked with Excel probably know what this does. In short, it's like if something is true, then we want a percentage of 25, and otherwise 20%. The column we use is the add group. And we want the product A if it's true. Save. Then this can be cost of goods percentage. The second column is the amount cost of goods. Again, we use an if statement. And now we use the revenue. If the revenue is more than 0, we want it multiplied by the cost of goods percentage. And otherwise we want a 0. The last column that we need will be the gross margin. And to calculate that, we need the revenue and we need the cost of goods. And one without the other is the gross margin. These are the changes that I wanted to make to the data set. In the next session, we're going to make a dashboard. Then we use this view to make different sorts of charts so we can get more detail about the data sets. Thank you for watching and see you in the next session.